How to buy crypto on Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Vasnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on Coinbase. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. First, what you want to do is you want to open up the Coinbase application and you want to sign into your coinbase.com account. You can do so on your browser or you can do so on your application, and you want to log into your account and you want to verify your account if you are signing up for the first time. Now once you sign in, what you can do is you can select buy and sell option in the toolbar that you'll get. As here you can see the information here, you can see buy option and you can see sell option. If you tap on buy option there and select the buy, now in my case it's asking me to create account or log into account, but if you select particular cryptocurrency, suppose you want to buy Ethereum or you want to buy Bitcoin or you want to buy Solana, you want to tap on it and you'll get the buy option. You want to simply tap on buy and you'll be able to buy it once you sign into your account, or if you're already signed in, you'll be able to make the payment and buy the particular amount that you wish to buy. So this way you can buy the crypto on Coinbase. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.